Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to shop for a health insurance plan on Healthcare.Gov or your state marketplace so that you can use premium tax credits and get covered before the January 15 deadline. So, first open up your browser and go to Healthcare.Gov. If your state has its own marketplace, the site will send you there automatically. So, on the home page, look for Get Covered or Browse Plans and choose the option to look at health and dental plans or browse without an access code. Then fill in your basic info like where you live, your family size, and your estimated yearly income. So that's how the system figures out your premium tax credit and shows you about how much you'd pay each month. You can also add your doctors and medicines so that it can show which plans work with them. Or you can skip that and go straight to the list of plans. So on the plan list, focus on the main numbers, the monthly premium, what you pay every month, the copays for doctor visits and generic drugs. The deductible, what you pay before insurance starts helping, and the out of pocket max, which is the most you'd pay in a year before insurance covers the rest. So use the filters to choose the plan type like HMO or PPO, EPO, and the metal tier is bronze with lower premiums and higher deductibles. Silver in the middle or gold and platinum with higher premiums but lower deductibles and co-pays. So some plans are HSA qualified, which work with a health savings account if you like that setup. And when you find a plan you like, select it and fill out your application with your personal details and income info. And if they need proof of income, you may have to upload things like W 2s or pay stubs. So on the final page, review the full price, your premium tax credit, and your final monthly payment, and then confirm your enrollment and make sure your first month's pay so that your coverage starts. So thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.